how to make money on YouTube Shorts without making videos in 2021. First of all, see all this video in YouTube trending section. 30 million views in just 5 days of this 26 seconds duration video. Then watch this, 146 million views in just 2 weeks. 44 million views in 1 week. Then again, 27 million views in just 1 week. Now you may be thinking, how is this even possible to rank below 60 seconds video on YouTube trending section? Is this the magic? Nope, it's not a magic. It's called YouTube Shorts. For those who don't know what actually YouTube Short is, in simple word, YouTube Short is a copy version of TikTok or Instagram Reel. As you all know, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. People from all over the world use this YouTube platform as for entertaining or education purpose, or digital marketing or growing business. But right now, YouTube started promoting YouTube Shorts tremendously. So if you are not a YouTuber yet, or you're thinking to start a YouTube channel but confused, what kind of channel should I start? Then here is the answer, YouTube Shorts. Yes, and if you watch this full video without skipping any part, you'll know how to make YouTube Shorts without making any video, and the proper way to upload on YouTube so that it goes viral. So just be patient and watch the full video. But before getting into main video, welcome to CashIQ, where you share how to make money online quickly in the easiest way. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on notification bell so that you never miss our latest updates. Now let's back to the video. Look at this news. YouTube announced to give $100 million for the best YouTube Shorts content creator. So now you can understand how eagerly YouTube trying to promote YouTube Shorts. So this is the crucial time for sure. Now let's look at this YouTube Shorts channel. As you can see, the channel got more than 15 million views in last 1 month. Now let's get an idea how much money they can earn. According to Social Blade, this channel earned more than $4,000 in last 1 month. But that's not true. The reality is very different. Look at this channel. This Shorts video got more than 66,000 views, but this video earning will blow your mind. It earned only 2 cents. And look at the RPM, only 6 cents. Could you believe that? But don't worry, I will show you exactly how you can really boost your income by YouTube Shorts channel, which can be more than 4-figure or more. Now here is the main part of the video. If you want to start a viral YouTube Shorts channel, you have to choose the perfect niche. And for a beginner, it's very confusing. But tension not. You guys may be thinking, why should I subscribe this CashIQ channel? Because this channel has made for showing everything from the root level. This is our viral YouTube Shorts channel list. Have a look at this. On number 1 we kept none other than funny videos. And this is the best niche for YouTube Short channel, as well as food review or cooking, pets, cutting fish, and fitness tips, tricks or motivation. You can select your channel from this list. First, go to YouTube, then search your selected niche. For example, I have selected pet niche, so I will simply type funny dogs. By the way, I like dogs, that's why I'm searching this. Anyway, I'm searching funny dogs, but you can search according to your niche. So I searched funny dogs and here is the result. As you can see, lots of people see this kind of videos because many people like dogs. But you cannot use all this video if you want to avoid copyright strike. So just click on this filter button and click on Creative Commons. If you don't know what Creative Commons is, here is the YouTube official details about Creative Commons. Creative Commons is a license given a standard way for content creators to grant someone else permission to use their work. By marking your original video with a Creative Commons license, you are granting the entire YouTube community the right to reuse and edit that video. And if you're thinking, can I monetize my video using Creative Commons video? Here is the answer from YouTube official. Yes, you can. Creative Commons videos are available to be monetized on YouTube, as they are based on the concept of free reuse and distribution of the original works. Yes, you can monetize your video using Creative Commons video, but for safety, simply just put the original video link on your video description, just like this channel did. They are posting shorts video and they are putting the original video link in their descriptions, so I'll recommend you to do that same. So you have to select a video for your shorts video. Example, I have selected this video and we have to download it now. And for downloading this video, simply right click on that video and click on copy link address. And now open a new tab on your browser and simply search YouTube to MP4. Click on the first website. Then paste the link here. Click convert and click download now. As you can see, our video already started downloading. Now it's time to edit our video. Go to canva.com. Canva is an online free video editor. All you have to do, just create an account by your Gmail or Facebook account. After login, you will see Canva dashboard. Now just click on create a design, which is on right top of the corner. Now just type add. Once you type add, you can see story ad from the bottom of the list. Now click on this story ad right here. Now you all have to do, just drag the downloaded file onto this white canvas. Now make it large and fit according to canvas. After doing this, just click on it and make it shorter than 60 seconds video. So make sure what portion of the video you want to keep. Suppose I want to keep from beginning of the video to 40 seconds. So I'll just simply pull it on the way back like that. As you can see, it became a 40 seconds video now. Now just click on download. File type is selected as MP4, keep it unchanged, and simply click on download right here. Once you click, video will start rendering. It could take a couple of minutes. Once it complete downloading, now it's time for the next steps, which is uploading this video. Now go to YouTube Studio and click this create button and click on upload video. You can click on this and select your video, or you just simply can drag your video like that. Then your video will be started uploading. Once it starts uploading, give a perfect title. And in the last, just type #shorts, just like that. That will put your video in the YouTube Shorts section. And then put the original video link in the description. And type license under Creative Commons by Attribution 3.0. Also put this creativecommons.org license link, which tells that you are free to copy and redistribute the material in any medium or format. And also for any copyright concern, contact us at our email address. We will act upon your query immediately. And now the magic part, which is how you can earn from this video. So there is two different ways to earn. First, affiliate commission. And the second one is, wait, I'll tell you later. But right now, let's see the possible way to get affiliate link for your YouTube Shorts video. So you can get affiliate link from Amazon.com. But if your YouTube channel is new, then maybe you'll get suffer to get affiliate link from Amazon. But there is a better solution, and you can get affiliate link even though your channel is very much new. Go to clickbank.com. Click on sign up button here and give your country, your first name, your last name, your mobile number and an email address. A strong password. Click on I accept terms and conditions and then join ClickBank. Once you are in ClickBank dashboard, you can see many different affiliate products and you can promote all these products. So search your targeted niche. Like I'm gonna search dogs and then select short results by gravity. That's mean highest sellings. The first one is brain training for dogs and it features 21 games to improve a dog's intelligence. It looks interesting. So if you like the products, just click on promote. Enter your account nickname. Click on generate hope links. And this is your affiliate link. And as you can see, you'll make 75% commissions for every customer you refer for this product. Now just copy that link, but I think it's little bit long, so make it shorter from bit.ly.com. Paste your link, click on shorten, and here you have a nice little link. Now just copy that link and put it on your description. Give an attractive line. Get 21 games to improve your dog intelligence, and paste your short link. And that is it. And now it's time for the second method of earning. Go to teespring.com. This is a website that makes merch selling extremely easy, so you don't have to do anything of the selling. They will print, they will ship everything for you. They will only take some percentage from every selling. All you have to do is design your product, and you can design on cups, mugs, caps, t-shirts, and many more. At first, you have to sign up. It's absolutely free. Just click on login, then create an account. Now simply type your name and email address. Password, confirm the password. Click on I'm not a robot, and then click on sign up button. Once you sign up, log into your account and click on start designing. As you can see, there is many different products which you can promote. But right now I'm gonna select a classic man t-shirt just to show you an example how simple this is. Now you can simply start designing. You can add image or you can only put text on the t-shirt. But I will recommend you to make a real gorgeous design in any editing software like Adobe Photoshop, or you simply can use Canva for a nice t-shirt designing. Because that's gonna make your t-shirt design more attractive and people will buy it more often. So don't be lazy and start designing in Canva. And you can get many designing ideas from YouTube or in Google. But right now I'll make it real quick. So I'm gonna use a simple text design. I like this line, so I'll simply click on text and start typing. But select a stylish font from the list. But obviously that's not gonna be the best. It's really an average. But you can find a nice image from pictory.com. Search dogs. Here I got a quite nice image. And as you can see, it's totally free to use for any commercial purpose and no attribution required. Click on free download. Make sure it's PNG and download that. Click on add image and place it nicely. After completing your design, you can set the price here. If I keep $26.99, I'm gonna make $10 profit from every sales. So if you can sell 100 t-shirts, you will earn $1,000. This is really cool, right? And you don't have to do printing or shipping, but only design your products. So don't be lazy, start it right now. Once you're done designing, click on continue. You can add the same design to all these different products. But right now we'll continue with this. Click on continue. Now give a nice name and a short description. Also give a short and nice URL. Visibility public, and click on publish listing. Now we can copy that link. And once people click that link, they will bring to that page, which is looking really amazing. Copy that link, but it's little long and boring, so make it shorter from bit.ly.com and paste it on your description with the call to action. And try to put more products on your description because that will help you to get more sales. After description, select a nice attractive thumbnail from YouTube choice. Remember, don't include any external thumbnail, otherwise that won't look realistic, and people don't like external thumbnail in shorts video. Also in recent time, YouTube stopped showing external thumbnail from YouTube shorts, so don't waste your time in thumbnail. Give some related tags. And publish the video. So this is it, my friends, and that's how you can create a YouTube Shorts channels and earn a lots of money without YouTube ads revenue. Hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Also don't shy to comment your doubt. I'll try to reply your comments. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and have a good day.